What's up, loves, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Monty. I gotta take the time out to shout out all my new subscribers. Yo, y'all been showing the girl mad love on the Instagram and also on my Facebook page. Thank y'all for liking, thank y'all for commenting, and also subscribing to my new YouTube channel. Yes, so I speak to those who are first time on my channel. Hit that red subscribe button and also hit the post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping a new video banger. I told y'all I was coming. I don't think I can say that word, but I said it. But I told y'all I was coming. I told y'all this little piggy went to market and this little piggy was going to come home. We're getting straight into it with this stuffed pork loin. Y'all see it. We got the peppers, the olives, the fennel, the onions, the thyme, the garlic. We about to get into it. I'm telling y'all, the stuffed Cajun Jamaican pork loin. I did take the liberty to speed up this part of the video because it was pretty lengthy. And I know you guys did not want to sit here and see me split open Miss Mary Matt. Well, I said Miss Mary Matt. I don't know what kind. Well, Porky the Pig. Okay, is that better? Thank you. But yeah, I'm just taking the liberty of the splitting it down the middle, and I'm opening up the pork on both sides of my middle initial split that I did, making sure that it's flat. Yeah, all that good stuff. So I have two, I want to say fairly large pork loins. I love working with them because they were easy. My knife was sharp, so this process was pretty much painless, not painful. I didn't cut through the pork, so I was pretty happy with that. I know y'all seen my double chin or whatever, but don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. I talk about my double chin. Y'all don't talk about my double chin. I talk about my double chin. Okay? But yeah, we better get straight into it. Next, I took some garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper, and I just rubbed both of the pork loin on the inside. And now we're taking that special deshel meshel. Ooh, sprinkle, girl, you showed off. Taking that sauce, and we're gonna go ahead and rub it down, rub it down, rub it down. Telling you, it's about to be the best pork you ever tasted in your whole entire life. Hello, somebody. Yes. Come on, sweetie. Rub it down. Rub it down. All the way to the ground. Yes, girl. Bow. But yeah, I'm just taking the special sauce or whatever. I may link it in the description box so you girls can see, you know, the ingredients to it. But it's pretty much easy. The main ingredient in it is the jerk seasoning, but I'll let you in on a little known secret a little later on in the video. Okay? Okay. So yeah, we about to get into it. Boom. Oil into the pan. We're gonna go ahead and drop in our filling. I don't know if y'all guys caught it earlier, but it was the garlic, the thyme, the fennel, jalapeno, and red and green peppers, and a white onion. Thyme in. I just wanted to allow that to burst open in the oil too with the garlic before I went ahead and added in my vegetables, as you can see now. So with this part, I'm only sauteing. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a second. It'll be the salt, the pepper, and also the garlic, as you can see. But I'm only sauteing my vegetables until they become translucent. That's when they change their form or change their state. You see they're raw right now, but then once they become translucent, it's almost like that you can see through your onions and your peppers, because of the oil and everything has seeped through the vegetables, so it gives a kind of a glossy type look. So I'm just taking the time out, letting that marry together with the garlic and the thyme and everything like that. And there we go with the salt, the garlic, and also the crushed black pepper. Yes, because we're building flavors, y'all. We're building flavors. Oh my gosh. And I'm telling y'all, this pork was like the bomb. I let everybody in the kitchen taste it, and they was just like, it doesn't even taste like pork. I'm like, what does it taste like then? The other white meat. Everybody's so afraid of it. But I had that joint tasting like some Popeyes fried chicken. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I swear I knew somebody that used to always talk like that, and I guess what that's where I picked up that voice. I think it was my homeboy's father. But yes, at this point, I allowed my vegetables to cool down in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes, only because I don't want to put hot stuff onto cold meat. So I allowed the vegetables to cool down to the temperature of the meat before I went ahead and I start stuffing it, as you can see now. And I'm just taking my time. I'm patting it out. As you saw, the pork had like a lot of ridges and stuff in it, but that don't even matter. That don't even matter. I mean, the big bad whoop tried to blow that house down. I mean, he did the first two, but the last two, he ain't even get in there. So, don't worry about the ridges, and I won't worry about the brick house. Okay. But no. I'm just taking the time just to, go ahead and make sure everything is intact. I'm also running my mouth because people are talking to me. And I'm like, y'all, don't y'all see me recording a video for my peoples? Because I'm a YouTuber now. Every time you ask me, every time you see me, that's how I'm going to say it. So, and shout out to Bria. Bria, if you're watching this video, shout out to her, her Instagram, Golden Child Bria. Go ahead and I'll follow her, like her. Like, she's so hilarious. Like, that's my sidekick in the kitchen for real. But yes, I'm just going ahead and I'm stuffing it, making sure it's all good and tight and stuff, because we're going to eventually take it and I'm going to twine it, or I'm going to use rope, if you want to call it, to seal the pork up, so when I cook it in the oven it doesn't burst open. It stays exactly how you see it now on the screen. And in a second or two I'll go ahead and pick up the twine so y'all can see how I'm going to do this thing. There we go. That's twine. It's perfectly safe when using it on food products. I know you may see a lot of people, like maybe on the Food Network or other cooking shows, that may do it with turkeys, or they may do it with chicken, or even with steak. You can use it basically on anything. So I'm just doing a single knot on the top of it. As you can see, I'm going to go back because I started my knot like a little too far up. I didn't start it at the beginning, so I had to go back and start it right where you see I'm doing it at. I was running my mouth talking and stuff, but I'm gonna get it together. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. It was early in the morning. Don't judge me. I hadn't had my coffee yet. But yes, I'm doing single knots on the top, and then you'll see eventually that I'm going to take the loose strings and I'm going to knit those down the middle. So on every knot is basically going to pick up the loose ends of the twine, if that makes any sense. I'm kind of like a visual person, so you can talk me to death, but I need to see the 2 + 2 on paper. You can tell me 2 + 2 is 4 all day, but if I don't see it on paper, you can forget about it. See how I just did right there, y'all? I was running my mouth again. See, I just pulled it all the way down, make sure it was tight, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make the knot so it secures all those loose pieces of twine that basically were hanging on from the single knot that I made. I sound like I'm like in a scientific lab or something like that. I'm like, what is going on? Oh Lord, there we go. And you can see that I'm pulling it so everything is tight. And I think I did about 8 knots, if I can remember, if I can recall. This is much later than I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, but yeah, I think I did like 8 knots or whatever like that. And it came out pretty good. I was so happy with myself that I did it. And I'm so mad that this pen is hanging off of my apron. I'm like, oh Lord, get it together, Monty. Get it together. See how I'm doing it? I'm just making sure that it's all perfect. And I'm about to show y'all in a second too, so y'all can see. This was my first one. I kind of like rushed it because I hadn't did the twine in like a minute. So I was just still like trying to find my groove, and I forgot how to, I didn't forget how, I just had to remember that I usually lay the twine and then I make the knot. But on my second one, it was definitely a hitter. As you can see, and I'm just making sure that everything is together. The twine is tight. I believe this is my last one. I'm so focused. Look at my chin. Go double chin. Go double chin. Go double chin. And purple pen. Go double chin. and purple pen. Go double chin and purple pen. TLC. Voila. Yes. So now we're going to take the remainder of our Cajun seasoning, and we're going to go ahead and rub the top, the bottom, and also the sides of the pork loin. Ooh. Gonna go ahead and mix that up again because the oil has separated. Aha. So I gave y'all two. So we got jerk seasoning and also olive oil, and then the bottle is sitting right there on the table. Come on, guys, look alive. I know it's been a long day, but I had to get this video out. Come on. But yes, I'm going and I'm taking and I'm rubbing it down from top to bottom and also on the sides. And I'm doing that for both of them. So like I said, we split half up to rub the inside of it. And then once again for the outside. And I'm telling y'all, once this hits the oven, it was like crack. It was money, I'm telling y'all. It was like when crack hit Harlem in 1986. I'm telling y'all, it was powerful. It was real powerful. But we not promoting that on this channel, though. Don't do drugs, y'all. Stay with Christ. That's what we promote. No drugs. Love Christ. Amen. Amen. But yeah, y'all. I'm just rubbing it down. I don't know why I'm taking so long just to rub it. I was just in my own little... Ooh, look at her. I guess that's why I was taking my time. Because that's how it's supposed to look. And I'm telling y'all, once you put in the oven, I did it on like 300 for like 40 minutes. And I checked it every 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure it wasn't browning. Because, you know, in jerk seasoning, you know, it does have, some do have sugar, brown sugar. So it does tend to get a little caramelized more than usual. So I'm just showing y'all the temperature and also the time. And this was halfway through right here. This was like 20 minutes in. This was like 35 minutes in. Oh my gosh. You got to be kidding me. Look at that, y'all. I'm telling y'all. I am really giving y'all some good stuff. Yes. Oh my. Look at that. And this is the moment of truth right here. If somebody don't come slap me, I'm going to slap myself. Whoosh! Look at that. Money. Money, money, money. I'm telling y'all. Ain't break apart. Ain't do none of that. Strictly money. Go ahead and slice it, money. Go, girl. OMG, y'all. I told y'all I was going to hit y'all with one today. And this was simple, it was easy, and it was fast. Like from start to finish, it probably took me a good hour. And think about if I had already prepped it. And this is how it came out with the juice and everything on it. Y'all, I just want to say thank y'all for liking, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank y'all for watching my video. Love you. Bye.